Ano ang sabi? Mula nang nabalita ko na may bagong release ang Kia Motors Philippines, nagpunta agad ako dito sa Kia Ortigas. At nakita ko siya. At habang tinitingnan ko siya, I really can't stop smiling. Kung bakit? Well, pag-usapan natin. Ito po ang 2024 Kia Sonet. Let's go!
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun.
Kung di pa po kayo nagsasubscribe sa channel ko, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Sa segment na subcompact SUV, there's the likes of Race from Toyota, HR-V ng Honda, pati Changan meron din ng GAC, pati na rin ang Cherry Tiggo. Pero ngayon, ito ang ino-offer ni Kia. Di ko ma-define mabuti kung ano ang dating ng design niya. But definitely, andyan yung salita na it looks fresh. Kasi nga, it just came out. It looks young, meron siya ng energetic vibe to it. Ewan ko, siya yung sasakyan na pag dinadrive mo, pakiramdam ko talaga nakakabata siya. There's that feel that it's all easy and nothing is complicated. Medyo may pagka-nostalgic nga po ang dating sa akin kasi pag nasa loob ako ng kotse na to, in a strange way, it reminds me of that atmosphere of a child that's inside a new car. I don't know how to explain it more better, but andun yung feeling na excited ka. Parang feeling ng isang bata na excited kasi bumabiyahe siya sa isang bagong sasakyan on the way to Manila with the whole family. Something like that. Well, everything about it makes me feel comfortable and at home. Kaya di ko maiwasan ng ngumiti habang binivideohan ko yung kotse na to. It has that balanced look. Hindi siya masyadong serious, hindi rin masyadong regular looking, of course. It really looks like a car for 2024 and beyond. Though the features that this car has can keep up definitely with its competitors on the same segment. Yung front fascia niya has a design for me that is a standout. Yung shape niya kasi ng headlights niya all the way to the fog lamps, para siyang boomerang shape. Very modern po ang look. Kita naman na nagsisimula yung flow ng design niya all the way to the back from this headlight design. May combination po siya ng silver design accents sa harap at pati na rin sa front diffuser niya. I like it in a way kasi it's different. It's not about yung perception mo agad, yung makikita mo agad, it's that massive grille in front. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na sobrang ganda naman ng design nito kumpara sa mga competitors niya, but I like it that Kia has their own design approach on their cars. Well, sa side profile naman, pansin ko agad yung malalaking wheel arcs niya na pag nilapitan mo, mapapansin mo na naka-curve siya papaloob yung wheel arcs na yan. Giving it more space para ala kang worry sa mga eksena na biglang sasayad siya dito sa wheel arcs pagka hindi maganda ang kalsada o may mga humps na hindi maganda pagkakagawa, masyadong patusok in a way, at para bang hinihikayat ka niya na mag-upgrade ng wheels. Ay para sa akin, wow talaga pag ginawa mo yan kasi mas popogi po yung kotse na to. On this color scheme, maganda din yung parang single color lang ang nakikita mo dito po sa dark shade na yan. Sarap din sa mata ng white kasi meron din siyang, kasi dual po ang kulay niya. Kita naman po yung protective mudguard niya all around the car. May roof rails din po, shark's fin antenna nandyan po sa taas. Sa likod, pansin agad syempre yung mahaba na taillights all the way across the car. Na same din na ginagamit na design sa mga SUVs from other brands. It gives it a more wider look. From this angle, I like the combination of the spoiler, then black cladding, and of course the rear diffuser. It all complements well together with each other. May reflectors din po sa baba at third brake light. Well, for me, it has just the right amount of sharpness and curves and sleekness to its design. Very balanced. It has that appeal for a first-time car owner and of course for those who want to experience a spirited drive. Well, speaking of drive, puntahan na natin ang engine niya. It's a 1.5-liter inline 4-cylinder double overhead cam. Gas engine po to. Maximum output po niya is around 115 PSI at 6,300 RPM. Maximum torque is around 144 Newton meters at 4,500 RPM. Kaya power, you have no worries about that. Maganda at malupit ang makina nito. Ang transmission po niya is Kia's own intelligent variable transmission and meron po siyang 6-speed manual variant kung yan po ang gusto nyo. Steering po niya is motor driven, so you feel more connected to the vehicle. And speaking of that intelligent variable transmission ni Kia, for me it's a step above the usual CVT because it transfers the power more efficiently, so you get more improved fuel economy and of course a better drive for sure. Ang engine po niya ay may dual injectors, kaya talaga all in all, it all works well on this car. It is a simple setup kasi it is a 1.5 liter na engine, 4-cylinder siya, pero wala siyang turbo, but it all works well together. Especially this is not really a big car. That's why this engine will have no hard time in getting you up to speed. One of the things that got me excited about this car as well is that even though it is a 2024 model, nabanggit ko na nga kanina, naglabas po ng manual variant ang Kia dito sa sasakyan na to. And what got me more excited is that it is 6 gears. Not 5, it's 6 gears. Kaya tipid po siya at masaya siyang i-drive sa malayong biyahe. At sa mga katulad ko na old school na nakaka-appreciate pa rin ng pagdadrive ng manual transmission, this will really make you feel like a real veteran driver. Interior naman dito sa EX model, you got the simple amenities na masasabi mo na it will meet your expectations. Kita po yung hard plastics sa door panel, pero hindi po siya yung cheap looking. It all looks nice. Fabric po ang upuan at spacious po dito sa likod. Komportable po ang makakaupo ang tatlong adults dito. The best part here is that there are AC vents at may charging ports po dito sa second row. At meron din po siyang center armrest dito po sa dashboard sa harap. Instrument panel niya all the way to the infotainment system is designed as a single unit. And kita naman po, may Android Auto and Apple CarPlay po yan. I like that there are still control knobs to control the temperature and airflow and all that. Nakakatuwa kasi po yung tipong pwede mo naman mas gawing simple at user-friendly. Yan ang ginawa ni Kia. Yung mga functions na yan or controls, hindi nila sinama sa mismong software. I like the design of the shift knob, pati dito sa center console na may armrest at yes, naka-manual handbrake po siya. Very simple and very reliable. Ang Kia Sonet po ay may 4 variants. The top of the line SX, there's the EX, and then you got the LX, and then there's also an LX manual version. Ang mga features na meron po siya, umpisahan po natin dito sa top of the line SX automatic transmission. Standard po ang ADAS features. Alam na po natin yan. Yan po ang cruise control, lane keep assist, lane following assist, forward collision avoidance assist, downhill brake control, high beam assist, and driver attention warning. And as I've said earlier, hands-free po ang Bluetooth niya with voice recognition, wireless po ang Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. ABS is there, electronic stability control, hill start assist, standard din po ang rear camera display, parking distance warning, anti-theft system, ISOFIX child tethers at meron din pong child lock. One thing I'd like to mention about this car that I like so much, double disc brakes po siya. Ang mga upuan po niya, manual with height adjustment po for both driver and the passenger, which is okay, not a big deal at all. Meron din po siyang smart entry, push start system, remote engine start, standard po yan sa SX and EX variants. Of course, meron po siyang wireless charging sa parehong variants na yan. At currently, ito po ang pricing ng bagong-bagong Kia Sonet. Kung interesado po kayo sa sasakyan na to like me, ang ganda-ganda po niya, pumasyal na po kayo dito sa Kia Ortigas. Bait-bait po, ang daling kausap na kanilang manager si Sir John. Lagpas lang po sila ng SM East Ortigas on the way papuntang Antipolo. Sa pagtatapos, if you're looking for a car at nag-iisip ka across all the compact SUVs na available out there, definitely this just came out really new, really fresh looking. It has a design that you can appreciate for many years to come. It has a great engine. Everything is finely put together to give you this amazing car from Kia. So definitely, if you're looking for a car on this segment, this should be on the top 3 of your list. Ito po ang 2024 Kia Sonet. If you found some value on this video, please do consider subscribing and hit that like button. Maraming salamat po. Drive safe. I'll see you on the next one.